Hi there everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back for another Trinity Stamps video. Today I am going to be using the Recharge stamp. I really wanted to use that along with some pastes and sprays. So we're going to use that along with the matching dies that go along with it. I love it. You could put a little face on there if you wanted to. And then we'll talk a little bit more about the sentiments when we get to that. But the dies will cut out each word individually, which is wonderful. So we're also going to bring in this stencil called the Beaming with Love stencil. It is a fun stencil, and the Trinity Stamps team has done some good stuff with it. So we're going to go start off by stamping our image. I want to stamp the flashlight. I'm going to ink that up with some Black Widow Stellar ink by Hurley Create. And then we're going to jump right into coloring this with our Olo markers. I did stamp that onto some Express It cardstock, which is just some really good cardstock for alcohol marker coloring, and I'm putting all the colors up on the screen. I decided to make a red flashlight because I don't know, I was thinking back to when I went off to college. My parents had gotten me a mag light. It was a giant red flashlight. So I automatically was like, this flashlight needs to be red, so that's what we're doing. I'll bring in some silver as well to do the little accents around the flashlight. And so we've got some CG3, and we'll bring in some CG5 as well, just to add a little bit of shadowing and shading there. It's amazing how adding just a little bit of extra color really brings those images to life a little bit more. And then we need to do the flashlight portion where the light comes out, so we're going to bring in some yellows. So I've got some yellow 2.0, and then I've got some yellow 1.2, and then I even bring in some 2.2, I think. All right, then we'll bring in the matching die that goes along with it, tack that down with a little bit of mint tape, and run that through the die cutting machine. And then I am going to make a mask. So I have some black mixed media paper. Regular cardstock would work too if you don't plan to do a lot of mixed media on it. I'm only going to do a little, but I've taken this like post-it tape, mint tape, and I've put the two of them together because I needed it to be a little bit bigger than what one could be. And I'm just going to cut around where the light is. So I'm making my mask so that I don't get anything on the flashlight itself other than where the light comes out. So we're going to glue this down, and then we're going to put our mask on there. And then we'll put our stencil down, and we'll tack everything down with my magnets for my glass mat. And then we can bring in the paste. Now that paste is a Hurley Create Phoenix Feathers Astro Paste, and so it works beautifully on dark cardstocks. It looks nice on lighter cardstocks too, but it really pops on those black cardstocks or dark cardstocks. And I'm going fairly thick here. I want this to be sticking out. I don't want it to be just really flush with the card, so I am making my hearts just a little bit thicker, and then I'll put the excess back in the jar, and then I'll pull my stencil away, and we'll get even more of that off. And then I've got to clean up my mess, so we'll take this to the sink pretty quickly. I don't want to have that mess sticking around. Then we can peel back our mask, and we can see how cool that looks. Now that's going to dry back a little bit and look a little bit more yellow-orange. It looks really white right now. It'll lose some of that, and it'll have all that sparkle in it, and I'll show you when we get a little closer. Next up, I need to stamp out my sentiment. Now, I mentioned the sentiments are so great because, one, I do love the font, and two, the dies that go along with it cut out each individual word. So you're not stuck to just having the "You Light Up My Life" positioned the way that it is, or even just using those words. You can mix and match, which I've done in the past. I'm also going to bring in this row of hearts, just want one of those hearts. Then I'll bring in my Clingy Craftmate along with one of my shading Sidekick brushes and a couple different colors of red. What I like about this Craftmate is that it is going to grip onto the piece, and I don't have to worry about holding it with my fingers, which I've done in the past, and then your fingers get all inky, and that's no fun, especially if you have somewhere to go. So I'm just going to go back and forth between I start with the light color and I go in with the darker color underneath at the bottom. So, and the Clingy Craftmate makes it just effortless. So I'll clean up my mat, and then we're going to move on to start piecing our sentiment together. I want the little heart to go underneath light. And so I'm kind of playing around with that, but before I decide to do that, I want to bring in a spray. So I'm going to mask off using some more of that mint tape. Just mask off where the beam of light is. And I'm going to do it on both sides. And then I'll bring in that mask that I used earlier for my flashlight. And then we're going to bring in that spray. Now the spray is something, it just goes so beautifully over darker cardstocks. It's called Golden Hour. It's a solar spray by Simon Hurley Create. So I'm just going to get that ready to go, and then I'm going to spritz that just in between the mint tape. And when I pull this away, you're really going to see it. It looks so good, and it has this shimmer to it that is fabulous. It actually looks like it could have been a beam of light. And then you have the hearts on there too, so it's so cute. So let me hold that up for you so you can take a look. But how fun is that? It actually looks like a flashlight, especially when you move the cardstock around a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and put this down on our card base using some liquid glue. It measures just slightly smaller than the front of an A2 size card, and the card base was 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches and scored at 4.25. So I've got that little white border all around. And then I'll use my reverse tweezers along with my liquid glue, and we're going to put down each of our words. So you can see what I meant by after that's die cut out, you can put your words where you want them, line them up how you want to. So you light up my life. How cute is that? All right, and once I get all of those words put down, you know I can't stop there. You know I've got to use embellishments. Can't help myself. So many good ones in the Trinity stamp store. So I've brought in some of the red sparkle hearts. I put those into my tidy tray, and I'm going to use my pickup stick to put just a few down. I actually didn't go too crazy here. I only used a few. So we'll glue those down, and then once those are all on there, that's actually going to finish off our card for today. I really love how this turned out. It just makes me so happy to see that shimmer in the light. And I hope you like it too. So if you do, please hit that like button. Definitely consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, using my affiliate links. All those things keep me to producing videos, and I really appreciate it. Thanks so much, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye, everybody.